Always be thankful. A short moral story. One day, a poor farmer named Ramu found a wounded bird in his field. Feeling pity, he nursed it back to health despite his limited means. After the bird healed, it flew away. Days later, Ramu found a golden seed near his doorstep. He planted it, and soon a magical tree grew, bearing fruits of gold. With this, Ramu's life changed, but he remained humble and thankful. He shared his fortune with the needy, grateful for the bird's gift. Moral: gratitude and kindness have a way of returning blessings in ways we least expect. Always be thankful. Thank you for watching.